Unsafe. You carry around those big paintings with you, and you talk about them, and you share them with everybody, and you also show projections on the wall of your own drawings with your lyrics. And why is that so important to you? Why do you care? Why do you care if people draw or not when you're listening to your music? Why? Because it's my viable seed. It's a usable option to express my scorn and rejection of ideas I find personally full of shit. I want to show you a Goya on stage. No, wait. Seriously, why? Why do you think? All right. Because drawing, raw, uncensored drawing, is one of the most punk rock things you can do. Has been, is, and will be. And in the future, it's going to be more punk to draw something by hand, direct from your human brain signals, because we got a creative tech babysitter coming in, and she wants to make all the decisions for you. Like when I have to go to bed, you need to process your way, all right, and explore what you honestly want, right out of your unlimited brain.
What are the love scroll subservice?
Oh, gee. All right. I love this city. I got a lot of people waiting for me outside. I love this city. But I see Goya on the streets, all right? I see clay on the windows. Shayla is around the corner clawing me. That's the love scrawl subversives, all right? I gotta go.
And you have to try to find that for yourself. If you find a way to express that, you fill that role, that pure and stripped down message to someone, pass around and share. It's crudo bruto, baby. It's my love punk subversives, and we or snarl at you with amateur attitude. And it's lousy and spontaneous, and these primitive scrawls, and it's displeasing. It's not even considered important, yet everyone responds to it. Everyone does it. It's insane how we're losing it. You know something by drawing it. You're engaging with your life. You're engaging with what you're drawing, and you can see your secrets, and you can see your darkest impulses emerge right in front of you. It's right there, and if you choose to share it with somebody, they can see it immediately. It's right there. Creating something new on your own. Makoso. Now, maybe you're not finding that idea yet. You know, you're going to have to search for that. Maybe I'm still looking. I'm still trying to figure it out. But man, I'm trying to come to terms with things in my own life and work through them and find the idea. And so it's not the quality, it's the idea. That's it. So it doesn't matter how goofy or bad it look. It's the authentic truth that you're showing, the cool underdog details, right? If you find a way to express that, you fill a mythic role in people's hungry storytelling brains They're looking for it. They're wanting it. They want that cool camp counselor to like sit at the campfire and like teach them about life in a cool way. They want that, and you have to try to find that for yourself. If you find a way to express that, you feel that role, that pure and stripped down message to someone pass around and share. Inside my brain is. That's the brats. That's the garbitier. All right? I gotta go, man. All right, yeah. Meet me later. All right. Thank you.
No problem. Where's my dog picture?